tired, but you need to study? Stay with me and you will quickly get 5 tips on how to stay awake while studying. 1. Take a break. It might seem counterintuitive, but taking a break every 30 minutes can help you stay awake. 2. Drink some water. Drinking water will make you more awake and alert, which means it will be easier for you to study. 3. Drink coffee or tea. Caffeine is a natural stimulant and it can help you stay awake for longer periods of time. 4. Eat a healthy snack. Foods with protein and complex carbs are great for staying energized while studying because they provide lasting energy that doesn't crash like sugar does. 5. Study in the morning. The best time to study is when your energy levels are highest, so try to schedule your study times accordingly so that you can stay focused and alert throughout. That's all, folks. Now let's go and study.